Vlogmas day 5, that was right. Did you get the sun? I was just like, yeah. I ordered a Sephora package like the day before Thanksgiving. Stupid on my part. I should have ordered it on Black Friday, but it finally came. That was my thumbnail. Hope you like that. But I thought I'd do an unboxing for you. I flipped it upside down so you couldn't see my address. It's been so long, I don't even remember what I got. Okay, let's show you. Let's sit on my dirty floor. I really need to clean my room. I say this in every vlog. I just don't have time. Okay. Ooh. Wow, why did I buy this stuff? I don't need it. I bought that. What was I thinking? I wanted this. The Tatcha Bestsellers set. Oh, my camera is definitely broken. I've just heard really good things about this stuff. So, comes with the One-Step Camellia, don't know how to pronounce that, cleansing oil, the rice polish, whatever. This stuff I like. And then this is the water cream, which I've heard really good things about. If it's like this big, I'm gonna be so mad. I paid $60 for this. Okay, what the heck? First off, it is really small. Second off, I thought this was like a exfoliator. It's literally just like, not coming out. It's literally just like sand. Do you see that? It's like sand. What the heck? Guess I need to keep the directions. This isn't even in, oh, the other side's in English. That's better. I was gonna be like, next thing. Oh, Peter Thomas Roth, 4 Steps to Fabulous. Did I pay for this or is this like a gift set? Like, oh, yeah. I didn't pay for that. Thank God. So I was like, what did I just do? But anti-aging gel cleanser. Should I give that to my mom? Mom, if you're watching this, do you want it? Not saying you're old, just saying I don't need anti-aging stuff yet. Firm peeling gel. Hungarian thermal water. They're selling us Hungarian water. And then I have this. The cloud drench stuff, water drench. Here's a sample I got. It's the Milk Makeup Shine Skin Tint. Cool. Ooh, I never wear lip stuff. Why did I? Like, this was such impulse purchases. Wait, what is this? I gotta know what this is first. Oh, yeah, I did want this. Okay, that's good. I probably will only use one of them, but guys, why did I do this to myself? But this is the Glam and Glow Liquid Highlight Sets from Cover FX. My skin has just been really dry, so I want some like luminosity to her. This is the Sephora Give Me Some Nude Lip. I like nude lipstick. My lips just became really chapped, so I probably can't wear any of it. But set you down while I open it. Oh, I just ripped it. Do you see that? Oh, there's like confetti in it. Shouldn't have done that. Oh, and the plastic thing just fell on you. But like, look, it's confetti. Okay, this is the Tarte, I don't know, a Buxom. Yes, I love these ones. I've only had one. Really cute packaging. What's the shade in? Dolly. Oh, this is the one that I had. Cool. Fantastic. Oh, I love these. I have the red, like, Stila Day All Day Liquid Lipstick, and it's really good. Why won't it focus? Yeah, I have the red version of this, and I really like it. It stays on for a really long time. Oh, do I have this one? This is in Trendsetter. I don't know if I have this or not, but I have, like, a small one. I don't think it's that one. And this is a Makeup Forever. I think this looks like a lip gloss or liquid lipstick. Not really sure. Oh, it's a liquid matte. I think it's an artist or it's an artist liquid matte. Don't know the difference. But if I ever wear lipstick, I have some. I am so reckless. I don't spend money at all, and then when I do, I buy a bunch of stuff I don't need. Who am I? They put this thing in this entire bag, like this little sample. Sephora. Ooh, it's the Glam Glow Star Potion. It's a liquid charcoal clarifying oil. How big is it? How big is she? Not opening. I just like completely, oh, it's very small. Transform black to clear. What? Odd. Very odd, but we're gonna try it out. I'll let you guys know. A new skincare routine, maybe coming soon. I know I got another. Oh, God. You know what? There's one more sample, I think. This is the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. They're so small. I expected them to be bigger. This is like a little Tatcha gift set. This would be a cute stocking stuffer if you have a friend that likes Tatcha or whatever. Comes with a deep cleanse and then the water cream. So I have 2 water creams. That's good because they're both really small. Skin's just been doing bad, so I thought, why not buy some skincare stuff? This is really annoying because this isn't the stuff you can pop. I have dropping everything. I have an Anastasia Clear Brow Gel and then a Becca highlighter. What is this in? Champagne Pop, of course, the one I already have. They didn't say what shade it was. I was hoping it'd be something different, but this would be cute for traveling. Oh, it's so small. It's like an eyeshadow. Onto the big boy. This is the Got to Glow from Clinique, and I saw this because I use this and I use this, so I was like, oh, and I use that, so it's like that's 3 things already that I use, and it comes with like glowy stick, a hydrating lip gloss, a illuminator, a Zizer mascara, and then an energizing scrub. So like this is for $39. Like that's, I feel like it's a good deal considering that like I already own all these and like this is a full size. So that's my Sephora haul. Want to go on to the advent calendar of the day because why not more makeup? My fruit snack is on it. That's embarrassing. Today's 5. Oh, 5 is like kind of big. Okay, what is 13 and what is 20? Let me know. Is it wrong? I just want to open them all now. Ooh. Oh, my mom would love this. My mom loves Amazing Grace. Ugh. I hate these things. They don't ever come out. This is the Amazing Grace Firming Body Emulsion, probably like a lotion. Mom, if you want this, let me know. I know you probably have so much, so if you don't, I'll keep it. But like, I know you love Amazing Grace, so let a girl know. Update, I think I'm just gonna I'm gonna study for finals all today because I'm final tomorrow. I'm stressing out about it, so see you later. So I just got back from my laser hair removal appointment. You guys remember I started doing like laser hair removal sessions with Laser Way this summer. There's 6 sessions. I just did my 4th one and I'm like actually noticing like a difference now, which is really good because at first I was like, I don't see a difference at all. But there's 6 sessions, so like it takes a while to like start seeing them. So I'm really happy that I'm almost done 2 more sessions. The lady and I, like, you kind of talk to them so like you don't focus on the pain as much. And we were talking about like boob jobs and lip fillers and like I really want a boob job now. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to my dorm. It's just a lot of traffic, so wish me luck. Hello, it's later. I have my Mario Badescu dots on, so let's ignore that. But it's like midnight, so it's technically the next day. I've just been studying and doing a lot of stuff. Found out that my CA is no longer gonna be my CA anymore next semester. I'm kind of sad about it because we just became friends. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's really late, so I'm trying to be quiet. See you in my next video. I love you. Bye.